Yes, in the second part of standard deviation, as you said, standard deviation is the root mean square deviation, and also how much it is deviated from the mean, and it is in fact a statistical tool. So according to the calculation, to calculate the standard deviation in two method. One is long method, as I have completed in the part first. Now I am going to take the calculation of standard deviation by the short method. Calculation of standard deviation for group data was on long method, but in this part standard deviation of group data in short method or deviation method. Deviation means we are deviating the x by an assumed value. That's what we call deviation method. ವರ್ಗೀಕೃತ ದತ್ತಾಂಶಗಳ ಮಾನಕ ವಿಚಲನೆ, ಅದು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. For the same problem, that is class interval with the frequency, how to find the standard deviation with a short method. See here again, for the finding of standard deviation we find the x is the midpoint. You know, in most part of the examples how to find the midpoint is the exactly middle value of the first class interval, that is 0 to 4, that is 0 1 2 3 4, that is 2 is the midpoint with the 5 difference 7 12 17 and 22. Next is, and the most important is, you have to take the deviation. For taking deviation you have to assume any one of the value as a, that's what we call assumed value. ಕಲ್ಪಿತ ಒಂದು ದತ್ತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ assumed value from the midpoint. See here, d is equal to x minus a. A is 12 that we have taken here. 12 is the exactly midpoint is the assumed value. Now you have to subtract this 12 from all the midpoints, that is x minus a, that is 2 minus 12 is 10, 7 minus 12 is 5, 12 minus 12 is 0, 17 minus 12 is plus 5, 22 minus 12 is 10. See here, 2 minus 12 is 10 because minus 12 is bigger value, that is minus 10, minus 5, 0, minus 5 and plus 5 and 10. Now you find, so these are the 4 major columns that we concentrate. Next part is according to the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to I into bracket summation of fd square divided by n minus into bracket summation fd divided by n square. This is the formula of standard deviation for short method. Now what we want, summation fd square and summation of fd we want. How to find fd square and fd? Here is the, now we have d here, f here. Now you multiply second column with the d, with the fourth column, multiply this one, f into d, that is 2 into 10 is minus 20, 4 into minus 5 is minus 20, 6 into 6 into 0 is 0, 5 into 5 is 25 plus 25, 3 into 10 is 30. Now you find that is summation fd first. summation you know to add. So add this column, that is add this column, that is here is minus 40, here is plus 55. Plus 55 minus 40 is 15, that is FD is equal to 15. Next we want yes, we find FD. Next is summation FD square. It is very simple. Summation FD into D. See, these two columns are multiplied again. Then we get FD square. See, D is this and FD is this. See, minus 10 into minus 20 plus 200. Minus 5 minus 20 plus 100. 0 into 0, 0. Plus 5 into plus 25 is 125. 10 into 30, 300. So this is by multiplying the fourth and fifth column we get the FD square. What we want? Summation FD square we want. See, you add all these 200 plus 100, 300, 600, 725, 725. So this is all we complete the table. Now you just put values. See, standard deviation is equal to I into under root summation FD square divided by n minus into bracket summation FD divided by n whole square. So I is 5, that is the width. I is 5, 0 to 4 is 5. So you just put 5 here. Summation FD square means that is 725 divided by 20. Summation FD is 15. You put 15 divided by 20. Then again 5 into bracket 725 divided by 20 is 36.25 minus 15 divided by 20 is 0.75 square. Then you keep as it is, that is equal to 5 into bracket 36.25 then square of 0.75 is 0.56. Then 36.25 minus 0.56 is equal to 5 into under root 35.69. Then SD is equal to 5 into root of 35.69 is 5.97. You multiply this 5.97 into 5 is 29.85. This is the standard deviation of this problem in short method. Very simple is class interval, frequency, midpoint. Then you take the D as 12 as an assumed value. Subtract this D with this table, you get D. Then multiply F into D. Then again multiply F D into D, that is FD square. After getting summation FD is there, summation FD square is, just fill the values and do the calculation as it is. So this is the simplest and shortest and the deviation method of standard deviation. Thank you.